Now we shall practice garudasana. Keep the left foot firmly on the ground and slightly bend the left leg. Bring the right leg over the left thigh. Rest it over the calf. Take the right hand over the left hand. Bend the elbows. Join the palms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the hands down and release the legs. Keep the right foot firmly on the ground and slightly bend the right leg. Bring the left leg over the right thigh. Rest it over the calf. Take the left hand over the right hand. Bend the elbows. Join the palms. Balance on one leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the hands down and release the legs.